Hey there, sleep enthusiasts! Did you know the average person spends 26 years of their life sleeping? Let's make those Z's count. Today, we're diving into the creme de la creme of smart bedroom gadgets that'll turn your snooze sanctuary into a 5-star retreat. All links to these game changers are waiting in the description. Consider this your golden ticket to dreamland. First up, the SwitchBot Smart Blinds Kit, because even your curtains deserve a promotion. These solar-powered marvels let you control light with a tap, a voice command, or even a dramatic Shakespearean monologue if Alexa's listening. With a GadgetsPrimer.com rating of 4.4, they've got precision sharper than your morning espresso, adjusting blinds to the exact 2-degree angle of your existential crisis. Bonus, they install easier than assembling IKEA furniture without the leftover screws. Speaking of clean slates, meet the Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, basically a bouncer for dust mites. This 16 kPa suction beast combines UVC light and ultrasonic tech like a superhero team-up, earning its 4.4 GadgetsPrimer.com rating. It's so thorough, it probably finds lost socks under your bed. Pro tip, use before family visits so Aunt Karen thinks you've always been this responsible. Next, the Lvifur LED Nightstand, your new bedside butler that's fancier than a hotel mint. With wireless charging, auto sensor lighting, and drawers deeper than your last Netflix binge, this 4.4 rated gem from GadgetsPrimer.com turns bedtime into a light show. It even wakes up when you approach, perfect for midnight snack missions without stubbing toes on door frames. Roll out the red carpet for the Nectar Premier Adjustable Base, the sleep equivalent of a first-class airline seat. With anti-snore tech and zero-gravity mode, take that, NASA! This 4.3 rated base lets you customize positions like a sleep DJ mixing tracks. Finally, an excuse to say, honey, I'm just doing science, while massaging away the day's chaos. Last but not inflatable, the JEASONG Air Mattress, the Swiss Army knife of guest beds. This 19 throne inflates faster than your ego when winning at Monopoly, holding 700 lollibees of sleepy campers, with cup holders for your midnight water and a flocked top softer than puppy ears. It's got a 4.6 GadgetsPrimer.com rating. Pro tip, deflate annoying guests. Just the mattress, of course. There you have it, your ticket to becoming the Mozart of mattress management. For price comparisons, detailed reviews, and more life-changing gadgets, sprint over to GadgetsPrimer.com. Sweet dreams, tech-savvy sleepers. May your nights be smart and your alarms forgiving.